Hi, I'm Emily, and in this Tapestry video tutorial for relatives, I'm going to talk you through the activities feature. This was designed so settings can add activity ideas, share these with parents, and also turn these into planned activities so parents and carers can try them at home. Before we get started, it's important to note that the activities feature is currently only available on the browser version of Tapestry. So this means you'll need to log in from any browser at tapestryjournal.com. The activities feature is divided up into two sections: Our Activities collection and Planned Activities. In this video, I'm going to talk you through both. To access both of these sections, you'll just need to log in and click on the Activities tab that's at the top of the page. Now straight away you'll be taken to Planned Activities, but I'm going to show you Our Activities collection first, as this makes a little more sense chronologically. So I'm going to click on the Our Activities collection. This is your child's settings bank of activity ideas. For each activity you'll see the name, a profile picture, and some of the description for them. Depending on the permissions your child's setting have set, you may also see a cog button where you can download media from the activity. If you click on the name of an activity, here you'll be able to see all of the media that's attached, if there are any documents, and also in the notes section you'll be able to see the full description of the activity. If your child's setting have allowed it, you may also see a comments and questions box where you can put any questions that you have for them. So that's what you can see with an activity in Our Activities collection. I'll just return to this by clicking on that option at the top. So next I'm going to move on to Planned Activities. So I'm just going to click on the Planned Activities tab. So the activities in this section are ones that your child's setting want you to have a go at home with your child or children. You'll see the page is presented a little bit differently. It's much more similar to the main observations page. But again, you can see the name of the activity, a profile picture for it, and you can see some of the description. If you click on the name of it, here you'll be able to see the activity in full. So you can see all the photos and videos, the notes describing what the activity actually is. Again, depending on the permissions, you may see a box where you can put any questions you have for your child's setting. Then finally, at the bottom, you'll see that you can reply to the planned activity with an observation. So I'm going to click on that. You can choose this reply option once you've done the activity with your child and you want to show the setting. You'll see that clicking on the reply button automatically adds the child to the observation, gives the title the same name as the activity title, although you can change this if you want. Then in the notes section, you can put what you actually did with the child, how they got on with the activity, and you can select to add any media. Finally, at the bottom, you may see this section called Links. Now this is if your child's setting have chosen to add page links to their account and allow you to see them. If they have, it means that your observation that you're adding now and the planned activity it came from will be linked, and that your child's setting will be able to see this. So it's really easy for them to see if you've done a planned activity or not. You'll see it in this timeline. So the green bar represents you adding the observation now, and previous to that you'll be able to see the planned activity. Once you're happy with the observation, just remember to press save. So that's the activities feature on Tapestry. We looked at Our Activities collection, which is just a bank of activity ideas that your child's setting have added and chosen to share with you, and the Planned Activities section. So the activity ideas that your child's setting want you to actually have a go at yourself. I hope you found this video helpful.